Welcome everybody to 2020. My name is Mr. Cater and I'll be your math teacher this year. And I want to just quick do an introduction slideshow and then answer a couple of questions that if I was you as a student in my class, I would have these questions. One, who is this guy standing in front of us, sitting in front of us, webcasting in front of us, and how does he, guarantee that I can learn the math? So you want to learn a little bit about me, and then you also want to know what are my guarantees. So here's what I've got for you. So first of all, I want you guys to know that I am a son. I too have parents. My parents' names are Don and Kathy. They're pictured here with my daughter, Kaylin. Secondly, I am a brother. I actually have two brothers. Their names are Steve and Chris, and I'm the middle child of three boys. So that makes me the person right here with the gum in his mouth during the picture, which my mom wasn't super happy about. And this is me wearing a really fresh white tux. So I always like that picture. Next, this is a more current picture, and if I was to put myself on myself, I could talk right here and be a part of this conversation. But anyways, these are me and my brothers now. We do like the Vikes. This is me in 1998, pictured with my wife. I am her husband. And so Becky and I got married in 1998, and I look much younger in that picture, but that's life. We're all good. I am a dad. Somebody calls me dad. My daughter's name is Kaylin. She's 17. She's a 12th grader. She's into soccer and lacrosse and a bunch of these other activities shown in this picture. This is our dog, Roscoe. He is a Chihuahua, and he's kind of a fun dog, and we did some water skiing this summer. I am a friend. I have friends. Here is a picture of me and my friends. We like to go golfing or play fantasy football, stuff like that. And then professionally, I'm a teacher and a mentor. So this will be my 26th year in Bloomington teaching. I've done previously 22 years of teaching math, and then 3 years of doing district mentoring, helping new teachers start their career. Next, I'm a coach. At the hallways of Jefferson. As you can see, I have my Jags hat on. I love coaching with my Jags hat. I'm the head coach of the varsity boys lacrosse team. While I've been the coach, we've won 2 state championships. We've also been state runner-up. I really like the game of lacrosse. It's fast-paced, combines a lot of different sports. Okay, so now you might actually be sitting here going, oh, I get that he is a person and actually has a life, but realistically, so what? What you really want to know is, how does he plan to help me learn math? If I was you, that's what I'd want to know. So here are my guarantees. You guys, I am super proud to be a teacher. I chose this profession. I love it. I've dedicated my life to working with teenagers, whether it's being a teacher or a coach. I teach with pride. Next, I want you guys to know that I will know the material I present. I'm really good at math, and I'm really good at algebra, and I can help you learn it. Next, I'll present information in a variety of ways. Sometimes one way isn't working for you. Maybe I'll show it another way. I'll help you understand why the information I'm teaching is relevant. When are you ever going to use this stuff? I do try to explain that. I'm enthusiastic and energetic in class. I'll be organized. You'll see that in all the emails and everything, and the video chats here as we're starting school. And I'll constantly encourage your feedback, questions, and observations. You guys need to tell me what's working or not working so I can make proper adjustments. And lastly, I won't give up on you. This is really big for me. You might have a D or an F on the first quiz. That does not make you a D or an F student the whole entire school year. That's not a thing. You always work to get better. In everything that we do in life, we continue to work to get better. So I would expect the same from you. So continue to work to get better. I won't give up on you, and let's keep going. Okay, now how do we get here? This is my path to success. As you can see, this is what people think success looks like over here on this side. This is not what success looks like. It's not get on the escalator and you make it to the top. It's a windy, crazy road. That's why I put my picture over here, because I'm on the windy, crazy road of success. Who'd ever thought we'd be doing distance learning? Who cares? We can make it work. So we're kind of in a dip or something. Let's get through it, okay? That's what success really looks like. And then kind of what I need from you is I need you to be all in. I need you to try, and I need you to, don't just endure this course. Excel while you're doing the things we're doing. Take plenty of notes, ask questions, come to class curious. When we have sessions, we're going to have online sessions. They're called synchronous sessions. When we have those, come with questions and want to know how numbers work, and that's what we're going to get better at for sure. And then I do expect you to be sharing ideas and experiences with your classmates. You're going to be in different groups in an online environment, expected to contribute. And I do have that standard for you. Okay, and work to succeed no matter what the struggle may be. If you get stuck, figure out how to get unstuck, whether it's contacting another classmate because somebody else probably has the same question, or if it's contacting me, like, let's get it figured out. Or maybe you need technology help, I'll hook you up with that, like whatever it takes. I really do want to get started. I think this year is going to be great, and that's why I put this short video together, is I want to have a great year. And welcome to algebra, and welcome to Jefferson 2020, and let's get it rolling.